So these are the chosen students from Bayanan National High School and Bayanan Elementary School. Such pretty faces. So while they are settling down, may I now call on Mr. Honorable Medel Medrano, our barangay captain, to give us a few messages. A round of applause, everybody.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po ay gusto ko munang bumati sa ating kagalang-galang na dating bukal ng ikalawang